Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, July 18th. I want to apologize for not having a video up last week. We actually got a new camera, so I had to get all the new footage switched over and stuff, and so I wasn't able to quite make a video last week, but we're back at it this week. So yeah, once again, I'm sorry. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.